And the more I say, the venue where Alkaline are going to perform, dog.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Why didn't bring me the same money cartel go to Miami?
A few moments later.
Okay.
How much people cartel they bring out when it come Florida?
But where
2,000 years later.
Amaranth Bank Arena. It is sold out?
I mean, I say why that them say, but why they not bring the blind Omega bank too?
One eternity later.
And remember, I know if CJ never a millionaire from the Omega come out of prison, she a millionaire, no?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Say cartel, it is sold out, no, but the end of the day, when them say sold out, me don't know because me the thing say when you sold out a venue, if the capacity at 20,000, you have to sell 20,000 tickets. You can't sell 15 or 30 and it's sold out.
Hold on.
But me see them with them Twitter Barclays what they.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox, how the latest news?
One Media Fox funny up, you know. So you don't know, people, Alkaline Ticket Watcher, Season 2. You understand? Promotional purposes. Remember, people, you don't know Alkaline are going to Miami. You know, our Kaseya or Kaseya, something like so. You see me? Center. You see it, so people, ready. But you don't know Ticket Watcher them out from early, people, as the ticket drop them ready. One bag of money, but you have to listen to what them I say, you see me?
And the more I say, the venue where Alkaline are going to perform, dog.
Why didn't bring me the same money cartel go to Miami?
No, this a guy, I'm not talking about guy now. Wait. Oh, sit or so, I'm blind. Kaseya Center. How much people that one?
Yo, them guys are money. Them so obsessed with Alkaline, like, I'm gonna keep a show in a different place. Understand? And who no want say I ask the promoter why them never bring Alkaline in our cartel do film show. Brother, you feel like say Alkaline follow people? The youth of them show in a different venue. Who know say why them never put him in a arena where I think in name Amaranth Bank or something like so. Arena. Brother, what I'm doing now? Eh? What I'm doing that? Something really wrong with it, brother. You just want Alkaline follow up cartel, so? I saw no love, man, dog. But people, listen what them say.
What a brave move by Reggae again. Alkaline in May again. Think it too soon.
Remember said CJ Milan asked if you go too deep and white, you know.
Alright, the Kaseya Center can accommodate up to 19,146 attendees for center stage concert. How much you think them are downsize that to?
13? or maybe 10? You think Miami go hard like New York with answer.
People, just get on the tickets because this gonna be a next flap themselves moment. You understand? This is what them do with Barclays Center, you know. And then them come flap themselves. But look what go on. You understand? Bag of man is them attack. I saw you guys man them stay some more while. You see me? Yeah, because when the artists do show, them now pull up the artist show, Alkaline show them rate. You see me?
Dog, you really say 13?
No disrespect to the artists. New York, we support dancehall more than Florida.
You think so?
I know so. When I just feel like cartel the 3 show in New York at that price there. Why not with a new? I mean with a Florida. That alone tell us yeah. You see what I say?
Okay.
How much people cartel they bring out in a when it come Florida?
But we're venue name, remember? Remember we're venue name? When you perform down there? Amaranth Bank Arena. Did they sold out?
I mean I say why that them say but why they not bring the blind Omega bank too?
So basically I ask why new rules. See why CJ Milan never bring Alkaline in the same arena. Brother, tell about them money and them get up every day so Alkaline a copy and a follow cartel.
Make us see what the capacity. You see that?
Okay.
Yo.
Remember the speaker million, let's spend our money to lose in a dog.
So this is the thing where you see some of them Gaza man, yeah, you can see say them never go school. So the man them Google the capacity for the arena where cartel do and see 23,000. In a them mind, you know, a 23,000 cartel put. Them brother you just uneducated. You understand? Them fool. CJ Milan don't tell me say yo, the bugger Google and get the capacity, brother. That's not it. CJ Milan set up different. You only can get this figure when it's a 360 stage. Vice Cartel never do a 360 stage. You understand? So, we know always I Google things and still I get it wrong. But listen what the massive people.
No, you see why.
And remember, I know, if CJ million, never millionaire, from the home come out of prison, she a millionaire, no?
No, you see why. 23,000 per concert. But how much got
How much cartel did pull out?
So look at now people. The man them a go Google and see one figure and just run with it. Them not in a sense, you know. And them can't even read if you understand. But listen what I go on.
them put the blind man in? I might say them put the blind man in the Jonah venue.
Then if you notice, even with the mortgage, they make sure the goalpost after the condition. Is what I say? Say cartel, they sold out, no, but the idea, when them say sold out, we don't know because me the thing say when I sold out the venue, if the capacity at 20,000, you have to sell 20,000 tickets. You can't sell 15 or 30 and it's sold out.
Hold on.
But me say then we got them time out everybody.
Them money are dunce, you know. Them money are dunce. Them not in a sense. Because him a go say, yo, when you see a venue say 20,000 and you sell 15,000, it not sell out. Although based on the setup, it sell out. CJ Milan no do 360 venue or 360 stage. You understand? She put the stage right where one corner where the basketball hoop there. That's how she put the stage. And the whole everything behind the stage, nobody know they behind the stage like that. You understand? So them money, them don't know what they must say. But as me say people, getting the tickets for the Miami show, new rules. You understand?
Country boss, you remember how much him sold out to? But you say confirm it was a sold out event. So
That's what me I say. Love move the goalpost. Your friend sold out in 13,000.
so I wonder how much was the how far the movie goal post from the 23. Keep on as a sold out dog, it now get like a like a number.
Yeah.
Oh no, it said Vice Cartel, the show held Saturday, May 17th, 2025 at American Bank Arena through a massive crowd filling 20,000 capacity venue.
So 20,000 people?
It said it filled out 20,000 people. And once a sold out. So I guess like 20,000.
No.
People, Jesus Christ. May I tell you, say, yo, you see them guys are money people? So you see something say, the arena, massive crowd, filling the 20,000 capacity venue. And you think say, cartel draw 20,000 people in the arena. Brother, no can read for understand. Not because you see 20,000 capacity venue. They matter about the venue, that way it can hold everything. The setup in the arena, that is not what Vice Cartel pull. Vice Cartel don't pull no 20,000. He pull about maybe like 15,000, from 13 to 15,000, brother. You understand? When CJ Milan tell me say, yo, brother, stop, pull up the figure, wanna Google and feel say I saw it go. And I say, work, brother. It's not a 360 stage. But you know do them thing and make people think say that cartel a pull. When it's not. Cartel not pull no 20,000 in no arena there, so brother. You understand? Because of the setup. You see it? But people, now go see what go on.
It's like 20,000.
No.
So look here now, people. So this are the show where Vice Cartel doing at the arena. Seeing if you look, so see the stage right there up on the left, and then see the whole round there, so right? Then the youth are go show behind the back of the stage. You see it? Look at now. So you can't see nothing behind the stage. So see there? You can't see nothing behind the stage. Nobody not there around there, so. You understand? So it couldn't be the full capacity at 20,000. You understand? Nothing. See the stage right there. So look here now. This is the setup, people. You have the stage. Oh, no, look. You have the stage right there, so. See? And then to the front there. So you see behind the stage, you have some other seats. So it cut out the 20K. It couldn't be 20K. You understand? So if you look on the arena, I saw it look. You see it. So it couldn't be the 20K. You see me? Yeah, man. So look here now. This is how in the arena look. You see right here, so? Right here, so where you see them two circle there right up on the ground there, so? And this is a stage setup. And behind them two circle there, nobody not there, so. You understand? So the arena couldn't be no 20,000 with Vice Cartel sell out. You see it? But them not understand. It's because them just read something and just run with it. You see it? But look here now. So look here. So this is the arena. You see me? Look on it. You see where you see the blank white space? Nobody not there around there, so. You see if people lead around this and you have the stage in the middle, then you could have get the 20,000 plus. But no, it cut 3/4 so. You understand? Maybe like about 5K people. You understand? 5K people gone there so. You see me? So it couldn't be that. But you them not understand the thing. But you don't know. Alkaline are gonna do them do normally, you understand? Cause them guys are man, yeah. You see, because them they are back of class, them not understand certain things, them just fall upon media video and talk about things. But you don't know media facts there, don't we? Go forward with the facts and we go beat and teach them. You see me? Cause I saw it go. When the kids them are the year and you have to just, you don't make them sit down in the class and listen. You see me? Class in session. You see it? Yeah, man. So see there, same thing. This is an Alkaline one. You understand? So we get on the tickets. You see it? Get on the tickets. Yeah, man, them love that about the blue sea and when it gone out, hear them now. Yo, a little money him charge for full it out. One bag of excuses. You see me, but you don't know it go already. Remember, I get on the ticket and ticket master. Is it? Yeah, man, you know what thing said. Is it?
Well, we don't sold out, because me see Alkaline go Barclays and them say the Barclays at 18,500 and the man sell 13 and they say sold out. So it makes sense.
Well, at 20,000, them say dog. He say, but premium, I say, he say, right, that's
No, they actually 20,000.
People, just look how the guards are. Them guards are boy are dunce. Just listen.
okay. So, Vance Carter sell out 20,000 capacity, then, right? And
Yes, and yes, you do it.
so on. So, we place name again, because I said the Kaseya Center can accommodate up to 19,146. But the real question is, can Alkaline sold out this center? 19,000 people. Can he do that?
Yo. Yo, them money people, yo, dog. Them money are some madman people, me I tell you. Are some madman this. You understand? Madman, dog. Them get up every day and pre we are going. Them just love Google and pick up one number and say, oh yeah, this amount. And don't know what them are talk about, brother. Because of the hype. You see it? But listen what them are say.
I read question.
The sales will bring out 19,000 in a Miami after.
Controversy, cartel, back to back, less than a month. It is true.
You know what I say?
Him say Cartel back to back with less promotion. Me not understand. Brother, Cartel just come from prison, brother. Him first show that in a United States after so many years. Like, brother, wanna sick in on the brain? I wanna there. But less promotion. This man been a do interviews and how much podcasts and all that thing before the show. So we are trying to say, but no promotion. Every show a man go, yo, Barclays Center. The man is sick in the head.
We can't compare. We already see proof of the fact that you can't compare two of them.
But we know so hold on, read the rest of the side as well. Remember, say them are use a player. Just remember this. Press 360. Them are use that player.
Yeah.
Which one I think them are use?
Well,
The 180 degrees, no? Them are use that, you know? I can guarantee you, say them are use that.
no.
Yo, that youth when name Tyler. That youth, him do just chat with one night. Phone done said one, you know. Brother, we don't no sense, you know, brother. Only on the panel a chat madness. Eh? We don't know no sense. The only thing we can say what that is, we not promote the show. Free promotion. That's all. But brother, One did they behind class or the outside of the class or what? Cause one just pull up numbers and you don't know what not talk about. You understand? One don't try to get the facts or try to get the real information. One just love pull up and run with something. You don't have no sense, brother.
Remember, I need them for use. What? What do you mean by say I need them for use? Why they can't use the 360? You don't say the tech. You don't say no rate alkaline dog. More people that can get good part of no, what I say. We already see the proof and know say no. Remember, alkaline is great use. When do? We never seen other dancers that do it other than food we before, you know what I mean? So alkaline and great use. And if nothing more, and if you continue like this, you might be one of the greatest them, the legend them in a dancer. But don't put the youth in a one big old venue because shame in it, you know what I mean? Don't.
You might say don't put alkaline on one big old vinegar for shame him. Them guys are my dog, brother. I tell you the youth. Yo, we can't be alkaline and mad them, you know? Alkaline and mad them. Me I tell you that, brother.
I can put him at too high when he can't reach. Give the man when man can't do. You know what I say? No man, give him the 360. Show venue. 18,300. Just give him that. He never make.
You know what he show me say? He show me say them Gaza man yeah, watch your alkaline do more than Vice Cartel. Them not really care about cartel. For sure, yeah, because if them did a watch cartel show, them would realize say cartel never do no 360 view or 360 stage in a no arena. Them would realize say the same setup for cartel are the same setup for alkaline because I see them reggae fest people them. But the only difference is reggae fest booking Vice Cartel to do a show. You understand? With alkaline, new rules and reggae fest is a partnership. The two of them are keep the show. Yeah, which is alkaline brand. Vice Cartel get bookings. Alkaline is not bookings. It's a partnership. It's like two promoters join each other and I do them thing. You understand? So them not understand what I go on. But we know Gaza man them stay already.
Never been pull out 18,000 in New York. What do you think was the real number? Real number come out at New York? That now come out. If he reach 15, he reach now.
Yo, man, nah lie now. Alkaline is a great artist, to be honest. For real. Like, Cartel do about 20, maybe about couple arena well. I never see them man a Google nothing yet. Brother, Alkaline make the man them a Google 24/7. Me I tell the people. 24/7. Them man a Google. Like, you have to be a great artist if people that do this. You soon see him start count ticket. Just wait. Because we wait for season 2 now, people. So remember, season 2. Season 1 gone with Barclays Center. So season 2 this.
But enough news and nothing them put out fabricated news. But them Brenda. And enough people don't know that. Say, yo, CJ in a pressure brand. Which is amazing, dog. It's not say you can't go meet our back to that to be. What is this? No, man, they're not supposed to. They don't keep on. Mate, they cannot find you. You don't know why you can't find the number. Why they not put the numbers out there, dog? And you put up cartel one. Exactly. But listen, man, you see, if we put this ticket and sold and swing ticket and move, you can't believe what them say. Because yourself, guys, out.
So Alkaline and CJ Milan. When Alkaline and CJ Milan and Cartel and CJ Milan. So, them I say, nobody can believe nothing well with Alkaline and CJ, but everybody will believe everything with Vice Cartel and CJ Milan. Tell me if that makes sense. When the two of them are do the same show them. I see him reggae face. Only thing one a promoter and the next one a bookings. I see him set up them. You understand? But through them in them feelings and them ready long time, because them don't really have nothing to do, you know.
Yeah. See, someone say, back here. Well, popcorn can't sell about this.
See the goalpost move. Them start talk about popcorn now. Jaja youth. So me I tell you about dancehall people. I kind of realize a lot of them vlogger, yeah, especially some of the guys I want them. Seeing them IQ very low. Some of them not educated. You have the educated them ones, but them one yeah, them can't read fi understand. And that me realize with them. And that's why some of them have emotional damage. You understand? You see when your brain empty, only thing left there are just a bag of nice. You understand? They may read it out, but it's like what them see, is a different understanding. You understand? Them just read, them just read what they there and just read it all 3 times. Alright, that it say. But them don't understand how it come about. Cause you see Vice Card, you see say them say, when them say 20,000 venue, mean say that is what the venue own all. If say, you understand? That don't mean say it's 20,000 people him sell out. It's a 20,000 venue. But that's not what he sell out because the setting up with CJ Milan do accommodate that amount of people. You understand? It's not a 360 stage where you get a 360 seating. You understand? It's more like a center seating like behind the stage, you have couple seats like about 5K missing. Nobody know they around the second, nobody not stay behind the stage. What them I go see? And then you see everybody right at the front. From the two right and left side of the stage, go right back out to the end of the arena. Simple. But them guys are money now. You don't know. To me, them rate Alkaline, because there's no way. Every time Alkaline have an arena show or so, them pull up everything, start to investigate. But them not do that with Vice Cartel. Them not care. To me, them not really care about what Cartel and what want to do. Alkaline them care about. And Alkaline impact really a teach them because check how much time them go up on Google and type in these things. Alkaline make them know what is the color blue, what is the color grey. You understand? How ticket sales go, how much ticket cost, all of them look at something there. Because them just run with where the media say when it comes to Vice Cartel. You understand? Yeah, everything where media say, them now say, yo, them are fabricating, Them just run with everything. Yeah, because I want to, yo, world boss, this, that. But certain things just fly past them eyesight and them not realize. But at the end of the day, I still promotion, don't. Yeah, man, so people getting a Miami ticket. Cause look, make them cuss and go and complain. Cause it only go run up them pressure and them just end up a pharmacy. You understand? I start take some pressure pill. You see me? Yeah, man. As Alkaline say, overworld. You see it? Yeah, man. We do what we do normally, though. Yeah, man, people. So you don't know one media fax, Yeah, man.
But next time you can do that too. The first that was Alkaline show first. And then CJ Milan put Killer Pani for the strength. Okay. So me I say to yourself, we now mix up you show them like that. So if I'm
Madman, them guys are madman. The show Alkaline doing a back is with Bounty Killer when the Vendetta fans him walk out. He might go say CJ Milan book Bounty Killer pan the show for give show strength. How Bounty Killer give the show strength when the whole like people and walk up on him. Eh? We don't understand man. But people don't know one media facts pan it up. You understand? Them not see nothing yet. You see it? Yeah man. That is it.